Nobody wants a floppy shifter. Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. My name's Ryan. We got a little project going today. We are working on the shifter handle we've got here. And I'm not going to tell you whose shifter handle it is, but I've got this one here. And basically, this thing is an adjustable one. So it's got this big set Allen in the middle, and then it's got 3 Allens around the back side here that used to be there. And you could adjust this thing to different angles. You know, so if you need it laid back more or straight up or forward, you can kind of move it around and then lock it into place. The problem is this thing would not lock into place well. So use Loctite, tighten down this big one, the 3 set Allens, and it always got loose. In fact, I got on it the other day in the Chevy II, went to pull it into second and missed second gear. And then I was like, what the heck? So then I went to put it in third and it wouldn't go into third. And I looked down and the thing was just rocking here on the post, so the shifter was just loose again. I've had this problem before. The other day it just flopped all the way forward. So I'm done with it. I am done with this. This is my last attempt to salvage this shifter before I chunk it in the trash and go buy another one. So basically what I did is I drilled out where these Allens were, and we're gonna run some dowels into these holes here, and then we're gonna either TIG it into place. I'm over here at Trent's. What's up? What's up? And we're either going to TIG these dowels into place, just aluminum dowels, or we're going to try and braze them in. So we've got a couple options. We don't know what's going to work best. But we got the TIG out. He's got the old Alpha TIG here. And then we've got the brazer. So we may just end up taking these dowels, if we put them into place here, and just really just trying to get them to stay into place. I don't need it to, you know, structurally hold it. We're just trying to get the dowels that go in these holes right here, whoop, and just get them to stay into place. So we'll see what works. We're going to try a couple different things. Don't know what the best solution is. First 2 attempts to do some brazing here with the old Burns-O-Matic and the brazing rod did not pan out. So you can just see the failure. That's right, they just didn't stick. So Trent's working on getting the Alpha TIG hooked up, swapped over from his other TIG machine, so get everything hooked up. So we'll try that and see how it does. Give it another go.
You can tell by kind of looking at the metal thickness, nothing, because I know nothing about aluminum.
Do you have to? You got to ground it out, right? We've got to hook it ground to the end of the.
Yeah, it's hot.
Still hot.
Right.
So I've been Burns-O-Maticing it.
Did you ever TIG before?
No.
You're starting off with the hardest TIGging in on the planet.
I know. I'm gonna be a bear. Be a grizzly.
It's all easy. It's all downhill from here. If you can do this, you can do it. If you can dodge a wrench, you can dodge a ball. You definitely have to use some filler. There you go. Dab it one time. Careful, don't hit the electrode or it'll stick it. You still don't have a puddle. See how it's reacting with the anodized? Yeah. You're cleaning it. Come back. A little closer. There we go. Alright. There you go. Yeah, I mean
That's melted.
Oh yeah, you're good. You tacked it. That's what you want.
Yeah, that's what we want.
I think you're still. Did you get into the? How far down did you go?
I was pretty far into it there. 3/4.
it getting too dark?
Huh?
Is the helmet too dark? Take it down a little bit. You good on that one?
That one's good. If I wouldn't have walked it around the bottom
I
of
was
the
thinking
thing.
about to brace them together. I was like, it ain't gonna move it off.
I don't want it to move it off.
You just weld that up, you're fine.
Oh yeah, we're just gonna weld around the edge. Alright, good. Alright guys, so Trent just took me to school here on some TIG welding. This is my first time ever trying to TIG anything. And TIG and aluminum's pretty much the hardest material you can work with at first. So we weren't trying to make this super slick or anything like that. We just need these dowels to stay in there. So we didn't even really need filler rods, so we just took and kind of heated them up and melted everything together. And it turned out really well. So good enough that I can come just kind of touch this up and clean it up. Shifter boot covers up a lot of this anyway. But when you look here, this thing's still really hot, so I'm holding it by the shifter ball up here. But we just kind of brazed these in a little bit. And then around this is the side I was working on here. So you can see the 3 dowels that we put in there. Slight discoloration here in the anodizing, so this thing was all anodized up. But a lot of this is going to be covered. So, man, it turned out really good. So this shifter handle is locked into place now. You can see we've got a little bit of a layback compared to vertical. But man, I'm pleased. This thing's sweet. This is exactly what we wanted here. Is it? We're locked into place now. Ready to bang some gears.
No more floppy.
No more floppy. Alright guys, so just shot a little paint on here. So we've got some satin black paint on there. Got it all slicked up. So, we'll just go hang it back up in here. Let it dry, and then throw it back on the car. Alright, so here we go. Finished product. It's painted, it's welded, it's not going anywhere. It is locked into place, which was the objective. So once you get that shifter boot on there, nobody's gonna even know the difference. So, quick little project today, just working on the Chevy II. Thank you guys for checking in, checking out the little project. And if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to go ahead and subscribe for us. And follow us on Instagram as well. Alright, we'll catch you guys next time. See you later.